Hey guys, this is SBC Lexington 658, and as you can see, my W/20 is hung on the wall, and my 262 is also hung on the wall. So yeah, my 262 and the luxurious, I don't know if I said that right, W/20 is hung on the wall. And you might be asking, how did I do this? I did it with Velcro. As you can see, there's no nails and all that stuff, and that black stuff right there. Like right there, I believe. Yes. That, my friends, is called the magical wonder of Velcro. And also, see, it ruins the entire thing. But when you're sitting down, it still ruins the entire thing, and it's still not focusing. So yeah. This is SBC Lexington 658. Talk to you guys later.